Friends, so I welcome you all in our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss arithmetic part of GRE Quant syllabus. In the earlier video we had discussed few MCQ questions, right? And in this video we are going to discuss quantitative comparison type of questions from arithmetic. So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda. I am ex-IISc MTech Mechanical, and in GATE exam I have secured all-India rank 66. So we have completed algebra part, this is our arithmetic part, and we are discussing quantitative comparison type of questions. Right, you can go through the syllabus, subtopics of arithmetic portion. You can take a screenshot if you want, and let us start with the very first question of this video. So in this question we are given that n is an even negative integer, right? Read the instructions given in the question very carefully. N is an even negative integer, and quantity A and quantity B are defined. What is quantity A? 1 by 3 raised to n, and quantity B is minus 3 raised to n. Right? We have to compare quantity A and quantity B. These are 4 options, and you can pause this video if you want. I will be giving you the answer as well as quick solution for this question. Whenever you are finding this type of questions, right, you can just put values of n. You can put different values of n, but we have to be careful regarding the instruction given in the question. Right? So what is the instruction? Instruction is that n should be even negative integer. It is negative as well as even integer, right? So we can put different values of n and we can compare quantity A and quantity B. So I will write quantity A, that is 1 by 3 raised to n, right? And quantity B, that is minus 3 raised to. So let us put n equal to minus 2 first. Let us put n equal to minus 2. So if you will put n equal to minus 2, you will be getting 3 raised to 2, right? 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 will become 3 raised to 2. It will become 9. We can say like this, right? And this will become minus 3 raised to minus 2. It will become 1 upon, right? So it will become 1 upon, it's minus 3 raised to 2. Right? Negative power is there, so we have to interchange numerator and denominator. If you are putting n equal to minus 4, then we will be getting 3 raised to 4, right? And here we are getting 1 upon minus 3 raised to. We can also put one more value, n equal to minus 6, and will become 3 raised to 6, and this will become 1 upon minus 3 raised to. So in all the cases, right, quantity A is greater than quantity B. This will become 1 upon 9, this will become 1 upon 8. Same for this case. So we can choose option A as a correct answer, right? So quantity A is greater than quantity B. Yes. In this question, they have mentioned negative integer. If we consider positive integers as well, then our answer might change. Right? If you are putting n equal to 2, you are putting even positive integer 2, 4, 6, 8, then quantity B will be greater. Right? So if nothing is mentioned in the question, if it is mentioned that n is an even integer, right? So we'll be choosing option D. For positive integers, quantity B will be greater. For negative integers, quantity A will be greater. But this we are having specified condition. Okay. So let's move on the next question. And here is your question on your screen. And we have to try solving questions without pen paper or without any rough sheets, right? So that we can get answers in minimum possible time and we can attend maximum number of questions. So in this question we are given that r is equal to 2, right, and s is equals to -7, and we have to just compare the quantity a and quantity b. Right? We don't want exact values of quantity a and quantity b, we just want to compare. So what is quantity a? That is r minus s whole raised to 4, and quantity b is r raised to 4 minus s raised to 4. Right? It's very easy question, we can say. So if you will put values of r and s, so 2 minus 7, right, it will become 9 raised to 4, and quantity b will become 2 raised to 4 minus. So minus 7 raised to 4, 4 is an even number, so it will become 7 raised to 4. Right? So guys, don't simplify this. We can simply say 9 raised to 4 is greater than 0, right? And this is less than 0. So obviously quantity A is greater than quantity B. Within 5 to 10 seconds we can solve this question, right? Okay. So let's move on to the next question. And here is your question. This question is very interesting. Be careful, guys. So let's read the question. N is a positive integer. N is a positive integer. What is n? Okay. They have defined x and y. What is x? X is equal to 7n plus 2. Right? They have mentioned n is a positive integer. So n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. What is y? Y is equal to 6n plus 3. They have given x and y. They have defined values of x and y in terms of n. What is n? N is a positive integer. Okay. Now they have defined quantity A and quantity B. Quantity B is fixed, that is 5. And quantity A is the ones digit of x plus y. That means units digit, right? That is units digit of x plus y. So first we have to find x plus y, right? X is defined, y is defined. So we can say x plus y is equal to 13n plus 5, right? Okay. We have to compare quantity A with quantity B. So let us put n equal to 1. Let us put n equal to 1. Alright. So x plus y will become, we are putting n equal to 1, then x plus y will become 18. Right? And we have to find units digit of x plus y. So in this case, that units digit is 8. In this case, the unit digit is 8, and 8 is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So we can clearly eliminate option B and option C. Right? These two are not equal, and quantity B is not greater than quantity A. We are left with quantity A is greater or option D. So don't take option A. You have to check for more values of n, right? So let us put n equal to 2. We are putting n equal to 2 in this. So what will be value of x plus y? So for n equal to 2, x plus y will become 26 plus 5, that is 31. So units place is 1. Units place of 31 is 1, and 1 is less than 5. Right? So for different values of n, our answer is changing. Right? So we have to also eliminate option A. The relationship cannot be determined from the information given in the question. Right? If you change the values of n, your answer will change. So option D will be correct answer. You can put n equal to 3. Right? If you are putting n equal to 3, you can check So for n equal to 3, what is x plus y? Right, so you can get 44, units place is 4, and 4 is less than 5. So option D will be correct for this question. Okay, so let's move on the next question, and here is your question on your screen. Quantity A is defined and quantity B is defined. What is quantity B? Cube root of 80. Quantity B is cube root of 80, right? We can write this 1/3 power of 80. What is quantity A? Cube root of 270 minus cube root of 10. That is quantity A. So without calci, we have to simplify this, and yes, can definitely simplify this quantity A. You have to just compare quantity A with quantity B. So in this form, we won't be able to compare these quantities, right? So you can pause this video, you can take 20 to 30 seconds to simplify quantity A, and you can give your answer. We can find cube root of 27. What is cube root of 27? Right, we know cube root of 27. It is 3, right? Cube root of 27 is 3. Okay. What is cube root of 8? Cube root of 8 is 2. Yes. And we can write 270 as 27 into 10 raised to 1 by 3. Right? We will just simplify this in this form. I'll just erase this and I will write 270 raised to 1 by 3 minus 10 raised to. So it is equal to like this, right? And we'll keep this as it is. So this will become 27 raised to 1 by 3, that will become 3. So 3 times this minus 1 times this. So it will become 2 times 10 raised to 1. That is quantity A, right? Now let us try to simplify quantity B. Equal to this, and we can take a cube root of 8. So it will become 2 times cube root of 10. So I think both the quantities are equal. This is equal to 2 times of cube root of 10, and this is also equal to 2 times of cube root of 10. So we can say option C will be correct. Both the quantities are equal. Option C is correct. Both the quantities are equal. Okay. So let us move on to the next question. And here is your question on your screen. Let us read this question. For 5 hours, a photocopier copied at a constant rate of 2 pages every 3 seconds. In every 3 seconds, this photocopier will copy 2 pages. Right? Quantity A is defined. The number of pages photocopier copied in 5 hours. And quantity B is equal to 12,000. Right? So this will be some numerical value, quantity A. We have to find that value and we have to compare that value with quantity B. In every 3 seconds, it can copy 2 pages. Right? So in 5 hours, how many pages can photocopier copy? Right? So yes, it's very easy question. In 3 seconds, you can copy 2 pages, right? 5 hours means how many seconds? 5 hours means 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 5 hours means 300 minutes and 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 300 minutes will be equal to 300 into 60. So 5 hours means 5 into 60 into 60 seconds. So in 3 seconds, it can copy 2 pages. So in 3 seconds, right? 300 into 60. How many pages can photocopy? That is equal to 300 into 60 into 2 divided by. So we can cancel with this, right? So it can copy 12,000 pages. Right? In 5 hours it can copy 12,000 pages. So quantity A is equal to 12,000 and quantity B is also 12,000. So we can choose option C. Both the quantities are equal. Option C will be correct answer for this question. Yes, both the quantities are equal. Alright. So let's move on the next question. This question is very, very interesting and tricky as well. So guys, please read this question very, very carefully and you can give your answer. Let's read the question. Today the price of a table was reduced by 20% from what it was yesterday. Right? If yesterday's price was 100, then today's price will be reduced by 20. And the price of a lamp was reduced by 30% from what it was yesterday. Right? So this is our given data. Quantity A and quantity B are defined. The dollar amount of the reduction in the price of the table. The dollar amount of reduction in the price of the table. Quantity B is the dollar amount of the reduction in the price of lamp. We have to compare this quantity A and quantity B. Reduction in the price of lamp is more than reduction in the price of a table. Don't be in a hurry, guys, because we want to solve all the questions with correct answers. Right? You can think for a moment. You can pause this video if you want. Quantity A is greater, quantity B is greater, the two quantities are equal, or the relationship cannot be determined from the information given. So let me help you. So let me make price list of table. Right? Okay. Yesterday and today. And today. So yesterday's price of table and lamp are not given to us basically. So we can assume yesterday's price of a table is X and yesterday's price of a lamp is Y. Right? We can assume these values. Okay. What will be today's price? It reduced by 20%. Will become X minus 20% of X. Right? And lamp's price got reduced by 30%, so y minus 30% of y. What is quantity A and quantity B? That is reduction in the price of table and reduction in the price of lamp respectively. This is quantity A. This is quantity A. And this is quantity B. We can say 0.2 times of x. What is quantity A? 0.2 times of x. What is quantity B? 0.3 times of y. Right? So can we compare these quantities with given data? No. We can't compare the quantities because yesterday's price is not given to us. Right? We will be choosing option D as a correct answer. Because depending on value of x, our answer will change. Right? So let me give you an idea. If you put x equal to 100 and if you put y equal to 10, you put x equal to 100, that is yesterday's price of table, and y equal to 10, that is yesterday's price of lamp. So if you put x equal to 100, our quantity A will become 20, and our y equal to 10, our quantity B will become 3. We'll say quantity A is greater than quantity B. But if you put x equal to 10 and y equal to 100, so quantity A will become 2 and quantity B will be 8. Relationship cannot be determined from the information given. Option D will be our correct answer for this question. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Do like this video, do share this video with your friends, because this aptitude portion will be helpful for all the exams, and in this series of classes we are keeping GRE quant syllabus in our mind. And see you guys in our upcoming video. All the best for your preparation.